Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek and today we are going to create this colorful text fade animation in After Effects. Now the best thing about this is that you can save this as an animation preset, so you don't have to repeat all of these steps whenever you have to create these animations. You can just simply drag and drop and all the animations will already be applied. So let's see how to make this. Alright, so I'm in After Effects and first we will begin by creating a new composition. Let's call this one main width and height will be 1920 by 1080 frame rate 30 fps. Just click on OK. Let's create a solid background. So right click solid and on this one let's apply a 4 color gradient. Let's drag it over here. For the colors it's up to you, you can pick whatever you want. I'm going to make all of these this dark color and let's select this and just place it down below. So here we have our composition. Now select the text tool and we are ready to type our text. I'm going to type motion. Let's align it to the center of this comp. Now hold on the control key, double click on this pen anchor tool. So the anchor point is in the center. Let's scale this up and I'm going to scale this to, let's say 50 or 40 maybe. Yeah, I think this looks good. Now we are ready to animate our text. So in order to do that, first we can open this up and we're going to use the animation properties. So let's go over here. And the first thing that we are going to animate is the opacity. So let's set this to 0. Now we can animate it by going inside the range selector. Let's set the offset to -100. Let's add a keyframe. Now let's quickly zoom in and just go to somewhere around 20 frames and I'm going to set this to 100. Let's go to advanced. Under this we can change a couple of these properties. So first under the shape I'm going to change this to ramp up. So now we have this motion. We can make it really nice by simply increasing the ease high value to 100. Now if I press play, we have this very smooth text reveal over here. So once we have added our opacity animation, we are ready to add our color animation as well. So for that again we can go to animate and this time we can go to fill and RGB hue. And this time we can change the color to whatever you want. Let's just make it to this little bit purple. Now if I press play, so we have this thing and we can also play this around by simply adding the offset. So let's just set this to -100. Let's go to somewhere around 10 frames. Let's click on this stopwatch. After that let's go to this and just set this to 100. Let's go under the advanced and under here just change the shape to ramp up. Now if I press play, you can see we have this very nice text reveal with this color as well. Now at last we can add some scaling animation to this. So let's select this, press S, let's add a keyframe, let's press U and let's go to somewhere around here and let's increase the size quite a bit, just somewhere around here. Let's select these keyframes, press F9 to ease them. Let's go to the graph and let's just make the graph to look like this so that we have this very nice text coming in. Now you can select all of these, hold on the Alt key and just click and drag this stopwatch if you want to have this little bit more smooth animation. Maybe we can move this little bit ahead. There you go. Now we have our text coming up. Now after this we want it to fade away as well. So the fading part is also quite easy. Let's open this up. Let's again add our animator for the opacity and let's just open this up. And this time you can see we have our animation and let's just animate it out somewhere around here. So let's add a keyframe. Let's set the opacity to 0 and let's go inside the range selector. Let's set this to -100. Let's add a keyframe. Again let's move a little bit ahead, set this to 100. Now if I press play, you can see we have this sort of thing. Let's go under the advanced and instead of add we are going to change this to subtract and also let's change this to ramp up. Now what this will do is it will fade out our text at the end. So now we can select this, press U. Now you can play around with the timing of everything. So for example, we can make it a little bit far away so that we have this continuous motion. I think this looks good. So now we can add some really nice glow to this as well. So right click, new, let's add an adjustment layer. And on top of this, let's search for glow. Let's drag it onto this. And we are going to just increase this and just decrease this, something like that. Now select this layer, press Ctrl D and on this one just increase this and let's increase this as well. Now we have this text with some really nice glow as well and then it fades away. Now we can duplicate this and let's press U. Just go to this point where we have these keyframes. At this point we can have our next text coming in So let's just move it over here. So our text will fade away and the next text will come. Now it's up to you, you can type whatever you want. So I've typed my text. Now if you want to change the color, it's also quite easy. All you have to do is just select your layer and search for color. This time let's make it yellow. Now if I press play, we have our first text and then it fades away. And after that we have the second text coming in. Now you can play around with the timing if you want to make them faster or slower. It's completely up to you. So this is how you can create these kind of animations. Now let's see how you can save this as a preset so you don't have to repeat all of this step again in future if you want to create these animations. So for that, let's just hide this for now and we are going to only focus on this. So let's open this up and we are going to close up all of these animators. And now if you want to save any preset, all you have to do is just select the animators. So animator 1, animator 2, animator 3, and let's select the scale property as well. After that you can go to animation and click on save animation preset. Now it will take you inside this directory, which is somewhere in the user, then your document Adobe After Effects user presets, and after that you can type whatever name you want. So for example, you can type text animation preset. After that just click on save and it will save it. I've already saved it under the name of this colorful text fade, and once you have saved it, you can easily access it by going over to this and just click on this. Click on refresh list, so it will refresh the effect that you just created. Now let me just quickly show you how you can apply it. Let's select this text and just click and type whatever you want. Samsung. Now if you want to apply all of those same animations, then what you have to do is just simply select this and let's search for colorful text fade, which is the preset that I just saved. So all you have to do is just drag and drop onto your text. Now if I press play, you can see we have our text coming in with all of these nice colors. Then it fades away. Let's place it down below so that we have the glow as well. There you go. Now we have our text coming in, and the best thing is that you can press U, and from here you can easily change the timing of whatever keyframes you want. So for example, I want it to like fade out after some time, then I can do that. If you don't want to fade this, then you can just delete these keyframes and then your text will stay like this. So in this way you can make these kind of text fading animations using the animation properties, and then you can save this as an animation preset so you can use them in your future text as well without having to go through all of this. Now if you want to get this preset, then it is available on my Patreon page. So if you're supporting me over there, then you can download it from there, and if you're not, then you might consider it because you will get access to the tutorial project files, exclusive templates, all the other advanced VFX and CGI tutorials that are available only on Patreon. So make sure to check them out. Link for that is in the description. And with that being said, my name is Abhishek and I'll see you in the next one.